Paying your $100 enrollment confirmation deposit secures your spot to CSUMB. The good news is that your payment goes directly back into paying your tuition. So if you need help making this payment, then stick around and I'll walk you through how to submit your deposit online. Let's start by typing in csumb.edu in your web browser. Log in using your CSUMB login credentials. Click Dashboard at the top of the page. This takes you directly into your dashboard. On the home page, you will see the payment due details on the lower left-hand side of the screen. Once you click on the Pay Your $100 Enrollment Deposit link, you will be redirected to the CashNet website, where you will be able to securely make your payment. Click on Make a Payment. Now click on View Category under Enrollment Confirmation. Again, click View Category for the term you have been admitted for. From the options available, choose the item that is appropriate to your application and click View Details. From here, you can add the payment to your cart. You can choose to add more items or pay now. After you click Pay Now, scroll down and click Continue. This will take you to your payment options. You may already have an account saved. If not, you can enter a credit card or debit card, a new bank account, or a 529 savings plan to your account. Once you select your payment method, you will be asked to agree to the terms, and then click Continue. Verify your account information and then select Pay to submit your enrollment confirmation deposit. Thanks for watching!